then just run to where no one knows. Crossing roads and episodes, feels like life is a massive race of brave road. Coincidence is our fate. There's a reason for everything they say. We have to read the signs before they get away. But thanks to you for every way wanna do this special beat. Because of you, I can sing along to this melody, and through the tears and laughter we'll get through the snow to spring. By the brain boy, new can love with you's harmonious through this love too. Maybe the changes we need in our world today shouldn't fall on heroes. Heroes always say it's the power from everyday people like me and you, and together we'll forever live to see it through. Wish I was music to sing forever. Think I will always be together. Same idea, it's a series, as is beginning and with the same city streets. On the go and rainy night, when I was knocked to the ground, heart feeling down, right around. Well, let me into your light and fill me with a soft and delicate light. There I see the of memories stays with me so bright. My gratitude to you, I found all the courage I need to push me through, to stand strong towards all that I believe. Tomorrow brings a light that shines brightly towards the sky, and to hold you to give for you and me ensemble. You, broken pieces and dreams that have gone astray. One day come back together and find a way. It's the future I hope for, one day bright and all and adore. In the end we are golden as one. But no matter how beautiful and great the music plays, without you I feel blue in the emptiness. It's